Hey YouTube, we're gonna go over today's trades and yesterday's trades. I meant to do yesterday's yesterday afternoon or evening, and I forgot. I had other things I had to do. But anyways, I'll cover it today. But today's trades was I only did two of them: Walmart and SPY. So we'll go over Walmart first. And Walmart caught my eye because this is Monday, and it broke out over Monday. So when it made a new 3-minute candle over this high, this is where I wanted to get in right here, and this is where I actually did get in. So you can see right here at 9:36 I got the 119 calls at 60 cents. So that is 9:36 is right here, right over that break at 60 cents, which you can see I got it right here, right where I wanted to, and it went over 100%. So Walmart was really strong. I was hoping it would get to 120, but it didn't quite get there. But I'm very happy with the 100% on that. So as you can see, got it right there, 9:36, made 100%, took it off at 100%. I always like to go for 100%. And the other one was SPY, and this one, let's see. Okay, we got the what time did I get that? 11:05. What was I looking at? 11:05. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is what I was looking at. 11:05. Sometimes I have to go back to see what I was seeing at that time. See, we got major support right here, and it's very weak. It's downtrending, and it's making new lows and new lows. So I grabbed the 298 puts at 11:05, and 11:05 was right here. Well, it looks like I was chasing this candle down. Yeah, that's what I was doing, anticipating it was going to break this candle right here from the yesterday's close, and that's what it did. I mean, I wasn't worried about this little bear flag, whatever you want to call it, or descending wedge. But yeah, I grabbed SPY puts, as you can see right here, at 11:05, which was right here on that candle, and we got it at 64 cents. This was a good trade. So 64 cents at 11:05, which was right here. But yeah, I bought it at the high of this candle right here. But oh well, I wasn't worried about it, like I said. And I was expecting it to break down, but yeah, it broke down. Then it made another bear flag right here, and that's when they had the tweet from or something happened with Trump right here, and it just dumped. So yeah, it went from my initial entry of 64 cents to 335. So that was a 500% gain right there, and it was a very good trade. And I still liked it through the bear flag, because sometimes all it takes is Trump just to make one tweet and it wrecks your position. And in this case, it worked. It worked heavily in my favor, and I was not expecting it to go from 64 to 335. So that was a really good trade, and I'm very happy with that one. So that's what happened with SPY. I mean, like I said, I got it right here, anticipating going lower, because the range was only just a $1.50 range, and when SPY's in a tight range like that, when there's a lot of uncertainty, I always think that's going to always dump hard. So in this case, it did it again. So now we'll go on to what I was looking at yesterday, what I traded yesterday. Yesterday I made 4 trades. So let's see. Yeah, Facebook was one of them. But we'll look at the GDX first. Let's see. We get to pull up the GDX, which is right here. Now GDX, I swung from Friday, because Friday there was a lot of bullish flow sentiment going into GDX, and when there's a lot of gold buying going into a weekend, I grabbed it. I mean, maybe sometimes these big hedge funds, have an idea what's going to happen, or someone's loading up or hedging or something like that. And the way things have been all week long, I figured, okay, someone's going is going in heavy on GDX, and I'm gonna go too. I mean, it's only 50 cents. I mean, I'll grab it too. And which was, what time was that? That was 329. I'll show you the thing right here again. 329 at 50 cents, 28.50, and that was, I bought it last Friday, but the expiration was for this Friday because it was holding over the weekend. So let's see, Friday at 329, which is right about here, right there, and it dipped, but whatever. I was going with the flow, and the flow was saying GDX is going to go up for something to happen on over the weekend, and sure enough it did. Monday it popped, and I got out yesterday, and it was a, let's see, where was it? Friday we got out at 50 cents at the 329, which is right about, right here. And it didn't quite get to 100%. It was close, but I got it in GDX and SPY. Sometimes it's hard to get 100% out of them because they just don't move that much. But sure enough, I mean, if I held another day, I would have gotten 100%. But I mean, because this GDX gapped down, then popped up, went over new highs. So I mean, it went to a $1.11. Well, this is 115 right there, 113. But I mean, 111 from 50 cents, and I was more than 100%. But I didn't hold through. I don't like holding overnight. I just took a gamble on that. I didn't want to take any more risk than I already had, so I took my money and ran. Now the other one was, let's see, Target. Let's go to Target. Target, where are you? Bear with me. Okay. Now Target. Let's see what I got. Target 936. Oh yeah. See, Target, I did pretty much the same thing. I got in over here, over this, support, and it just took off, and it was making new highs in the morning, and retail was strong yesterday, so all the retail sector was strong. So when I saw that, I jumped into Target, and at 936, I got the 110 calls. So 936 is with this big large candle right here. Oh god, I hope I didn't chase it. I don't remember yesterday. I could barely remember today, but anyways, that's the candle I got in right there. 936. Let's move this out of the way. The 110 calls, which are right here, and I got it at 40 cents. Oh no, I didn't chase it. Okay, thank God. But yeah, right here, 40 cents. I got right at the next candle of this pop right here. So I got a good entry, and that did really well. I mean, Target, 40 cents. I mean, I got 200% out of Target, so I was very happy with that. Like I said, the whole retail sector yesterday was good. I mean, Home Depot was good, Lowe's was good, Target was good, Walmart was good. I think Costco was even good. I don't want to go into too many trades that are in the same sector. I'd rather just have one or two, and I just took Target. I mean, I've always liked Target. Target's always been pretty good to me. So I grabbed Target, and that's how I played Target, getting off from this support right here, bouncing up over the 200 EMA and going right above VWAP, and that's where I grabbed it. And that was a good play. And look at today. I mean, it just dumped. But the thing that caught my attention when I saw Target making new highs was the hourly. What day is this? Yeah, because the hourly right here, I mean, it's flirting with the 110. I mean, if that gets over the 110, it was going to break out. I was anticipating it to break out over 110 and go to 112, but I mean, it got stuffed at 110. So, and you got a harsh rejection today. So that was pretty good. Now go over I think Facebook finally. No, one more. Facebook wants to steal the spotlight. Okay, we're gonna go to ULTA. ULTA, it's just kind of this was a play that I was been waiting for, but I was also very nervous on taking, and I saw it come up on my scanner, and I know it had a huge sell off from the earnings, and it was bottoming here. It was making a nice little U-shaped bottom here, and the hourly was doing the same thing. So when I saw it come up on the scanner, I was like, okay, I kind of like this. I'm gonna grab it and just go small and see what happens. And I ended up grabbing it yesterday at 11:13, which is right. Wow, I really bought high, didn't I? Right in here. Yeah, right here. Wow, I really chased that. That was dumb. But anyways, I just got so many other things going on, other plays I had that just took my attention, so I didn't see it earlier. Anyways, I got it right here at 11:13, and get 100% out of it, I think. I have to make sure and I even said on the call that it was risky because it's been beaten down and it could go against you pretty fast. So let's see, yesterday at 50 cents at 11:13, which is right here. Yeah, right in here. And yeah, we got 100% out of it, so barely 100%. And I took it and ran when I got to 100%. I don't trust it. I mean, I still think it could go lower, but you know, it's hard to say when it's bottoming like this. It could go higher, it could go lower, and it's very unstable. And it did pretty decent today. I mean, it went back to 50 cents and did another 100%. But yeah, I very nervous about taking that one because of the beating it's taken. Yeah, see, look, today it popped in the morning and it sold off and rebounded. But yeah, that was ULTA. Risky, but it paid off. Now we can go with Facebook. Okay, Facebook was a yesterday trade, and let's see. Yesterday I got Facebook because obviously it was breaking down, and I knew it was breaking down, making lower lows right here. I mean, look at this. It was a head and shoulders right here. There's the left, head, and right. And that's what I saw when it came up on my scanner. I was like, oh, wow, head and shoulders. I'm grabbing this. And I grabbed it at 9:43 a.m., which was, oh, yeah, I grabbed it right here at the bottom. And it popped back up to the VWAP right here. Yeah, right here. Popped back up to VWAP. But as long as it stayed on the VWAP, I mean, I was fine with that. And I got 182.50 puts at 67 cents, which was right here, right at the high, right here. And I got 100% out of it. But the thing, I mean, hindsight's only 20/20. So when I got 100%, I got out. You know, as you can see, I mean, it bear flagged right here, then made new lows, and then it popped back up to VWAP. I mean, once you go through the first bear flag, I mean, I like to take the money out on the next sell off and sell into strength, and that's what I did, and it popped back up to VWAP and consolidated, and then I couldn't believe this. I mean, if I had the stones to hold through the night, I mean, this would have been like a really monstrous trade. This would have been a 500% play if I held it. And I'm sure some people took the call and held it. I think someone in the room, a couple of people in the room held it, even though I dumped it. They held it and they got like 400%. And that's just incredible. So congrats to them. So 67 cents to $3.40. If you had the guts to hold, which many did, many are more bigger gamblers than me, if you want to say so, and I just like to play safe, and I trade like a coward, so I took my money and run, and they decided to roll the dice, and they got a big monster play out of this, and congrats to them. And so yeah, that's what happened with Facebook. So but also be sure to check out my Twitch. I've been running my E-Trade scanner on Twitch. The link will be in the description of this video, so be sure to check out that and follow. and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it for the recap. And hopefully we'll get some more good trading days this week and do some more recap this week. See ya.